Hey guys, Shell here. Welcome back to my river. I know I have a lot of subscribers who like to watch me blow shit up, but you might have seen I've released a few kite flying videos, and now here I am in my new kayak. So I'm only going to make kayaking and kite flying videos now. No, I'm just kidding. I brought fireworks with me. I should have brought something to set them off with from the boat, but I didn't. I wasn't thinking. Oh, I could probably do a smoke bomb. We'll do a smoke bomb. Let's do a smoke bomb. Let's see what happens if it'll burn underwater. Smoke on the water, a fire in the sky. Hey, it works underwater. Bloop, 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 bloop. Check it out. That's killer. I had no idea. A good sparkler will burn underwater. Watch out, we got some rapids coming up. I'm gonna get you a smoke bomb. Oh no, she looks like she's running out of juice. Yep, she ran out of juice. Okay, come on, smoke bomb. I'm not gonna leave you. It's biodegradable though, but I'm gonna grab up my dirty stuff. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Fireworks on the rivers, babies. All right, let's see what else I got in here. Let's try silver salute, emits crackling sparks. Hey Missy, fire in the hole. Oh, I don't do very much on the water. Let's see if a magnesium flasher will go off in the water. I don't know. It just sank. Oh, I think it's still going though. It smells like a fart. Yes, that's sulfur. Sulfur. I love that smell. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I ain't got no gloves on. This is not kid friendly. I don't claim my YouTube channel's for kids. What do I always say? Don't try this at home. I make these videos to entertain and to emulate. Oh, no, that's not right. I make these videos to entertain and educate. They ain't for you to emulate. That's what I'm supposed to say. Woo! That's freaking awesome. Let's try one of these rockets in slow motion. Yep. Fire in the hole.